Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Nissan Rogue. Now this is a 5-passenger SUV in gray, driving on 18-inch wheels. And some of the great exterior features on this Nissan includes a camera in the front grille there and inside the emblem. You also get two cameras underneath the side mirrors, one in the back, giving you a 360 camera view, which we will see more inside. Other great features includes fog lights, a smart key system, and a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has a lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Nissan does have a smart key system, so we can press this button on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it, we can press that same button there. Taking a quick look in the door, you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Inside, this Nissan Rogue comes equipped with black leather seating. Some of the features you have next to the door includes your liftgate, you have your sport mode, you also have your blind spot monitoring system along with your eco mode and your downhill assist. Lastly, if we take a look up top here, you do also get a panoramic moonroof. On the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. You have your cruise control on the right side here. You can navigate through your multi-information display by using these buttons on the left side here. You can also see this Nissan has 60,699 kilometers on it. Taking a look at our screen here, right now we are on the navigation screen where of course you can set your destination. You have some shortcuts on the left side, so you have your standard AM and FM. You have choices for CD auxiliary. You can also press this auxiliary button to cycle to your Bluetooth where you can connect your phone. Now going into reverse, on the left side, you'll get that direct backup camera view. On the right side, you have the 360 camera view like we mentioned earlier. Underneath is the climate control. It is a dual zone. The temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. On the very bottom here, you have a little bit of storage, USB and auxiliary port. You have your 12-volt outlet. Now all the way in the back here, of course, you have your two cup holders along with your heated seats. Taking a quick look inside the back, there's some storage on the bottom of the door. We are continuing with the all-weather mats and the black leather. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you get some extra storage. Rear seats do fold down. There's a little handle here, we can pull that forward. The seats will fold, giving you access to your cargo. Like I mentioned, this Nissan Rogue does have a power liftgate, so we can hold that third button on our key fob. Now if we sneak inside here, you can see you have plenty of storage space in the back here. Like I mentioned, the rear seats do fold down. That will always give you that extra bit of room. You also get an added bonus of a cargo cover as well. Taking a last look at our Nissan Rogue, once again, some of those great interior features includes your heated seats, navigation, panoramic moonroof, and a 360 camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.